Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use Sharex on your computer. Sharex is referred to as the ultimate screen capture application. But aside from taking screen captures, you can use Sharex for other interesting stuff, which I'm going to show you right here on this video. So do well to watch to the end. So to get Sharex, you can head over to the official website. I have a link to that in the description. You can go check it out. Or if you are using Windows version from 10 and above, you can go over to your Microsoft Store. There you also have Sharex available. So you can click on the download button to kick off the download and also go through the installation process. It's very easy. So when you launch the Sharex application, there are two ways you can use it. You can use the program windows right here, as you can see, or you can minimize it. And then you go over to the bottom right corner of your taskbar. There you find the Sharex icon, but if you can't seem to find it, you can go ahead and hit on this arrow button right here, pointing upwards. So when you hit it, you find the Sharex application. When you right click on the icon, there you find the different categories you have on the program application. So I'm going to go back to the application right now. So right here on the home screen, you have a list of hotkeys, or you have a list of keyboard shortcuts that you can use to carry out different captures in different ways. So for instance, if I want to take a screenshot of my entire screen, I can go ahead and press the print screen button. Or if you go over to the capture button right here you have the full screen. So if you have more than one monitor connected, the full screen is going to take a screen capture of all the monitors you have connected. So next you have the Windows button. So with the Windows button, you can just take a screenshot of an open or an active window. So you can go ahead and select any of the window you want if you have more than one open. So next you have the monitor. So with the monitor button, you can take screenshots of any monitor you have connected. So if you have more than one monitor connected, you can select the one you want to take screenshot of. Next you have the region button. So with the region button, you can take screenshot of a particular region on your screen. So this is what I'm talking about. If I click on the region button, so let's say for instance, I want to take a screenshot of this site right here, but I only want this dark part of it. I don't want this upper part of it that is white. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hover, make sure my mouse is on the dark part. And then you can see there's a border around this dark part right now in broken form. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a border around it. So if I click on it, it's going to take a picture of just that part, excluding the top part of it, which was white. So if I go back to the region button, so at the top right here, you have the toolbox you can use to edit your screenshots. You can even add text to your capture. Right here, you can add blur. So let's say for instance, I want to blur a part of my capture. All I can do is to select my blur and then apply it. And then you see this part is blurred out. Next to it, you have the pixelate. So I can pixelate a part of it just the way I did with the blur just now. You also have the highlight. You can highlight. So I'll leave you to play around with these tools right here to see what they actually do. So when you are done, you can go ahead and click to capture. So there you have it. Or you can just draw a rectangle on the parts of the screen you want. So next you have the scrolling capture. So let's say for instance, I want to take a screenshot of an entire web page. So what I can do is to hit on this scrolling capture right here. So when you hit on the scrolling capture, you are going to get this window. And then you can go ahead and hit on this start scrolling capture. So when it's done, you get a preview of it. And then you can go ahead and hit on this upload/save, depending on after capture settings. You can also use Sharex to record your screen. So to record your screen, you can go ahead and press this shortcut or the hotkey on your home screen right here. Or you can go over to capture and then hit on the screen recording button. So when you hit on the screen recording button, you can select the region where you want to capture. Or when you want to record the entire screen, you can move your mouse outside any active window and then you can right click. To know if your recording has started, when you hover your mouse to your taskbar, you'll find this red button right there. So with the red button, you can stop your recording by clicking on it, and then on your home screen, you have your recording listed there. If you want to modify your recording settings, you can go over to your task settings, click on screen recording. So right here, you can choose your frame per second. Right now it's set to 30, but you can increase it to 60 if you want to. So when you hit on the screen recording options, so if you're using Sharex for the first time, you're going to need to hit on this download button to download some sort of file. So under the sources, you can set your video source to GDI grab. Audio source, you can select your microphone. So I have my microphone selected right here. Now under the codec, your video codec, you can set it to H.264. Audio codec is set to MP3 with quality 4. And then your CRF, you can set it to 28, preset to ultra fast. So when you are done, you can close this and you are good to go. So next you have the screen recording GIF. So with the screen recording GIF, you can record GIFs of an open window or an entire screen. So I'm going to go with the open window right now. So when I right click on it, the recording is going to start. And then at the bottom right here, you can stop your recording, or you can go over to your taskbar and hit on this red button like you did before to stop your recording. So when it's done, you have your GIF right there. So that's it for taking screen captures using Sharex. So if you find this video helpful so far, please do well to give the video a like. And please do well to support my channel by hitting on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. When you hit on this tools button right here, down here you have different tools you can use right here on Sharex. So right here you have the color pickers, you have screen color pickers, rulers, image editors, image effects, image combiners, image splitter, image thumbnailer. You have video converter. So let's say I want to convert a video, I can hit on the video converter button, and then right here under the input file parts, when you hit on this ellipsis button, these 3 dots, you select the location where you have your video you want to convert. So I'm going to select one of these and then click on the open button. So right here under the output folder, you select the location where you want the video or the converted video to be saved. So I'm going to select my desktop and then click on select folder. Under the output file name, you can give it a new name if you want to. So I'm going to leave the default name right there. And then the video codec, you can set it to H.264. So for video quality, we have 0 being the highest and 51 being the lowest. So you are going to set it between 25 and 20. So I'm going to leave this at 23. So when you are ready, you can go ahead and hit on the start encoding button. There you see your progress. Another interesting tool I'm going to show you under the tools button right here is the QR code. So with QR code, you can generate QR code for your different links. So all you need to do is to paste the link right here, and then your QR code will be generated. So when you want to save this, you can right click on it, and then you have different options. You can copy the image to your clipboard. You can save it as an image file, or you can upload it. So let's say for instance, you want to save it as an image file. You can go ahead and hit on the save as image file button, select your location, and then click on the save. So there I have it on my desktop. So when you go over to your uploads button right here, you have various choices. You can upload files, you can upload folders, you can upload from clipboard, upload text, you can upload from URL, drag and drop upload, shorten URL. So still on the upload, you can select the location where you want your files to be uploaded. So when you hit on this destinations button, right here you see you can select different location for different type of file, but make sure your account is connected. So to connect your account, you can hit on this destination settings. So on the left hand side of the screen right here, you have different services. So you are going to select the one you have, and then right here you follow the instruction, and then you are good to go. So that is it for the video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.